Minecraft Chemistry, the newest assignment for chemistry at Wolf High School. Here we go, Chemistry Lab Safety in Minecraft. You'll see the assignment on Google Classroom. Just want to review this before we actually get into the Minecraft itself. So let's read the directions and then we'll jump into the tutorial inside of Minecraft. So we're going to make the lab safe by cleaning away hazards and putting harmful chemicals in appropriate containers. You're going to document the hazards by using your camera and portfolio. You can label those hazards before and after, or even easier, okay? Use Windows Shift R to record your screen as you perform all these tasks, the very tasks that I'll show you in the second part of this video. Then you'll attach that video to the assignment. So here's the hazards that you'll be taking care of. 2 fires, a big old water spill, a bunch of cobwebs. You're going to be replacing quartz countertops that are missing and birch floors that are missing so people don't trip over stuff or fall into empty spaces where counters should be. You're going to go to counters and shelves and you're going to take away things like cakes and dragon heads and all sorts of miscellaneous things that shouldn't be on a counter. And then there's like a little tripwire thing in here that you'll see into the video. So that's the introduction. That is the directions. You will actually click onto the link that will be on the classroom here that will take you straight into the Minecraft. Here's the tutorial right here that you're watching now, so you click that. And next part of the video right now is the actual Minecraft and what you're going to be doing. So here we go. Good afternoon, chemistry students. It's me, Mr. Cheney, with another brilliant tutorial. This video is in conjunction with Kaden from 3rd period. We're going to cover the chemistry lab safety in Minecraft. This video shows you the area you need to cover. You'll see a couple of fires that need to be put out, and you'll need to take care of the water. There are also some items on the counter you'll have to deal with, and you'll need to clean up some cobwebs. I'm going to take out the first counter here, so you have to replace some of the counter spaces with quartz, and you'll see that there's some missing floors which you will replace with birch. Let's take care of this fire first, and we'll come back and take care of those floors. Let's take care of this right here, the water. So you're going to go into this chest and get the bucket, and you will use the bucket to clean up this vast amount of water. So easy. Alright, so we're going to search for some more things to do to make this chemistry lab safe. And so we're going to be searching around. And the next thing that we're going to do here is what? Yes, we found some quartz countertops that we need to replace, and then you've got, that's quartz, yeah, like I said, and then you've got birch flooring. So quartz countertops, birch flooring, so we're going to fill those in so people don't trip and fall into them. It's a lab safety issue. So filling in some more birch wood floors. And we are flying around the entire chemistry lab to see if we can see any more from a bird's eye point of view. Coming back down here, we're going to take care of cobwebs, so we're just cleaning up cobwebs around the entire lab. So you want to search far and wide and clean up all the cobwebs. There's so many of them, so you want to take your time doing this part. You've even got some in the corner over here. You just want to keep flying around north to south, east to west, and find all of the cobwebs. Also, we're taking things off the counter. Anything that's not chemistry or science related, we want to take off the counters. So that was a random object. This is a cake. No food being eaten while we're doing the lab, especially when there's chemicals involved. You don't want to do that. This right here is like a tripwire, so you can see that there's like invisible blocks, so we can take care of that by breaking those apart so that you can actually walk through. So you can see that we've taken care of that. So now we're just taking random things off the counters. The torches we want to keep in place because those are providing light. Taking out a cake right there. We don't want food on the counters. There's another cake you want to take out. And while you're taking stuff off of counters, you can probably find some more cobwebs while you're at it. Just making sure in each section that the quartz countertops are replaced, that the birch floors are replaced. Taking random things off of the counters again. And as we fly around, we're just making sure that we've taken care of everything. There's some quartz countertops that need to be replaced, so any gaps in the counters you want to take care of. And that's it.